For the past couple of years, the business world has been captivated by the promise of generative AI assistance. We've mastered the art of the prompt, and then we ask a system to summarize a document, we write a piece of code, or we draft an email. The AI responds, we refine it, and we move on. But that paradigm, the assistant era, is already becoming obsolete. Our core focus is moving beyond the prompt. We are exploring agents, autonomous workflows, and how automation is being revolutionized by the powerful, off-the-shelf AI options. Hello, everyone. I'm James Gerganis, Chief Information Officer at George Fox University. In my role, I look at AI through two distinct lenses. First, ensuring our students learn how to best apply AI in their future careers. And second, the immediate need to apply these transformative technologies to our own university business processes right now. If generative AI is a highly intelligent intern waiting for instructions, agentic AI is an autonomous teammate. Agentic systems perceive their environment, break down complex goals, formulate plans, use external tools, and execute actions with minimal human supervision. This isn't just a technical upgrade. Just like previous technological innovations of the information era, what starts off as a fun and novel app eventually progresses into core infrastructure. Businesses are no longer just playing with AI, they are investing in it. They are demanding a measurable return on that investment, and crucially, they are rigorously evaluating the new risks it introduces. Let's dive in. To understand the business impact, we first need to understand the architecture. What separates a standard AI assistant from an AI agent? It comes down to four core pillars: goal orientation, memory, planning, and tool use. First, goal orientation. Standard AI requires a prompt for every step. An agent requires an objective. Second, planning. An agent autonomously breaks a massive goal down into a sequence of smaller, actionable subtasks. Third, memory. Agents maintain short-term memory to keep track of a current workflow and a long-term memory to recall corporate operating procedures, for example. And finally, the game changer, tool use. Generative AI lives in a sandbox. Agentic AI has the keys to the office. Agents can query databases, browse the live web, send emails, and trigger APIs. The AI isn't just generating text about the work, it is doing the work. You might assume that building an autonomous teammate requires an army of software engineers, but the market has shifted rapidly, offering a whole spectrum of off-the-shelf options. On the highly accessible personal productivity end of the spectrum, we have tools embedded directly into our daily routines, like Google Workspace. Moving up to the enterprise level, platforms like Google's Vertex AI Agent Builder and visual workflow tools like n8n allow businesses to deploy complex agentic workflows using pre-built models and visual interfaces. When you combine these off-the-shelf agents with your existing software, your business processes change from a tool paradigm to a teammate paradigm. Let's look at how a customer support workflow operates under this new paradigm, and specifically, how it maps back to our four architectural pillars. Imagine using a visual canvas tool like n8n. You connect it to your inbox and your online shopping platform using pre-built integrations, and you give it natural language instructions. You are a returns specialist. Resolve issues regarding missing packages. Here is how the four pillars spring into action. Goal orientation. The system's goal isn't simply to draft a reply, the objective is to resolve the missing package claim. Planning. When a frustrated email arrives, the agent autonomously plans the necessary steps, reads the sentiment, checks the tracking status, and verifies the customer history. Apply logic and process the outcome. Tool use. It executes this plan by reaching out to external tools. It queries the shipping API to confirm the loss and pings the online shopping platform to trigger a credit. Memory. Throughout this, it uses short-term memory to track the specific order number from the email and long-term memory to access your CRM and recognize the customer's high lifetime value, informing an empathetic apology draft. All of this happens before a human agent even opens their inbox. The return on investment, the ROI, here could be enormous, compressing process cycle times from days to seconds. However, this also must be where we note a really good reason to think twice before completely removing humans from the loop: the potential overwhelming cost of automated inaccuracy. When an AI acts autonomously at machine speed, a single misunderstood policy can multiply into a massive financial loss before anyone even notices. This is why human workers aren't just transitioning from repetitive doers to strategic orchestrators. They are becoming essential auditors. When we establish that proper oversight, the potential is limitless. Agentic AI ultimately facilitates a complete reimagining of business-spanning processes. It breaks down the walls between siloed departments to create seamless workflows, resulting in efficiencies and user experiences that were previously unimaginable. And that fundamental transformation is the true return on investment businesses are looking for. So, to achieve that fundamental transformation, you need the right fuel. In the agentic era, that fuel isn't just software, it is pristine data quality and a thoughtful ontology. An autonomous teammate is only as good as the information it acts upon. As it is said, garbage in, autonomous garbage out. If an AI agent makes decisions based on siloed, outdated, or corrupted data, it will execute disastrous decisions at machine speed. To safely utilize off-the-shelf automation, you must provide a pristine data foundation. Agents need structured data like databases and unstructured context, like company policy, PDFs. But having clean data isn't enough. You must also build a thoughtful ontology. Ontology is how you categorize your data and logically define the relationships between those categories. For example, here at the university, an agent needs to understand the exact semantic relationship between a student profile, a course prerequisite, and a financial aid status. This means the agent needs a structured map of how these different pieces of data are connected and influence each other to properly execute a business process. Without a thoughtfully designed ontology, the agent lacks a map of your business logic. Even perfectly clean data becomes isolated noise and the agent will stumble. Interestingly, AI is becoming the solution to data hygiene as well. Data quality agents are now scanning enterprise data lakes to autonomously detect anomalies and fix broken pipelines before they impact your other business workflows. Even with pristine data and a perfect ontology, giving AI the keys to your systems inherently requires managing enterprise risk. Using off-the-shelf AI does not give you off-the-shelf immunity. We know generative AI creates informational risk, hallucinations. But when applied to workflows like our online shopping platform example, agentic AI elevates that to operational risk. An agent hallucinating a refund policy and autonomously giving away $50,000 is bad. But at machine speed, that error can multiply into millions of dollars in losses before anyone even notices. And the fallout goes far beyond the balance sheet. It creates a catastrophic hit to your brand and customer sentiment. Without a human control, the damage simply spins out of control faster than a human can react. When you deploy an agent, your business is held accountable for its inaccuracies. You cannot blame the algorithm in court. Therefore, enterprise deployment requires rigorous governance. First, we implement guardrails, strict programmatic limits. A customer service agent may be allowed to issue refunds up to $50 autonomously, but a $500 refund requires a hard stop and human intervention. This is the difference between human in the loop, where a human must approve every action, and human on the loop, where the agent acts autonomously, but a human audits the system asynchronously. And that brings us to our final critical point, legal discoverability. We must treat agentic AI workflow execution as something that will eventually end up in legal proceedings. Just like corporate email, the prompts, the automated actions, and the internal reasoning logs generated by your off-the-shelf agents may need to be retained for legal hold purposes. Organizations must adapt their IT infrastructure to include retention policies for AI activity. Let's take a closer look at a simple agentic AI example. To help illustrate some of these concepts, we've used Antigravity 2.0. Antigravity 2.0 is an agentic AI platform that can create applications around agentic AI workflows. We've built a simple workflow along with a visualization of what is happening under the hood so you can see these agentic AI concepts in action. For our example, let's consider something many organizations face, onboarding employee laptops. We'll see AI acting as a concierge to help a new employee select a laptop. Notice that the AI begins by asking for the employee's name. This is goal orientation in action. Rather than going right to presenting a list of laptops, the AI has a specific objective: identify the right device for this specific person and their specific needs. And every step it takes is in service of that goal. Once it has a name, it queries documents to determine the department and budget. This is tool use. The AI reaches outside itself via available tools to retrieve information it wasn't trained on, grounding its responses in authoritative, organizational-specific data. It then asks a small set of targeted questions about how the employee actually works: travel frequency, primary activities, software needs, OS preference. This is where the AI is doing something fundamentally different from a traditional menu-driven system. A drop-down form could filter laptops by budget, but it cannot ask a follow-up question, weigh the answers against each other, apply real-world knowledge, and arrive at a single, reasoned recommendation. The AI is not selecting from a menu, it is reasoning. This is planning in action, a deliberate sequence of identify, understand, recommend, confirm, with judgment applied at every step. Now check this out. Watching the video closely, you'll see that the chat pane shows the ongoing thought process of the concierge agent. As the agent attempted to assess software compatibility via its set of tools, it initially ran into a problem and noted to itself that I've hit a roadblock. So it's done, right? No. Instead of just failing, the agent persisted toward its goal and found a solution to its own problem. This is agentic AI. It's not just following a predefined set of actions and giving up when something doesn't work. It has agency to use available resources to satisfy the intention, the goal, given by a human. Notice also that the AI never re-asks for information already provided earlier in the conversation. That's memory. The agent maintains context across the entire exchange, just as a human advisor would. You can see this in the short-term memory pane in the video. And critically, the employee must explicitly confirm the recommendation before anything happens. This is human in the loop. The AI advises, reasons, and prepares, but a human makes the final call. The system is designed so that no procurement action can be triggered without the explicit human confirmation, preserving accountability while eliminating the manual work that surrounds it. But the story doesn't end there. When the employee confirms their selection, something important happens. The AI doesn't just log the request or send a simple notification. This is where we see multi-agent coordination. One agent completes its role and delegates to another. The concierge agent uses a sub-agent and tools to verify the order and begin the provisioning process by decrementing inventory. An agent verifies budget compliance. An agent checks inventory. An agent drafts and sends a service request to the service desk and provides confirmation to the employee. Every transaction is logged, creating an institutional record as a natural byproduct of the process. No additional effort required. This automatic creation of an audit record is a key component of human on-the-loop oversight, where a human can asynchronously audit the agent's autonomous actions. What you've seen is a simple but complete agentic AI workflow: goal-oriented, planning-driven, memory-enabled, and tool-using, coordinating across multiple agents, demonstrating the governance balance between human in-the-loop decision-making and human on-the-loop autonomous execution, and completing a real institutional process with no additional human intervention. And this simple workflow can scale up to full enterprise process optimization. The more that foundational work on data quality and governance is in place, the more a multi-agent architecture can deliver value and efficiencies across the entire organization. You could expand this agentic workflow to include tools that provide secure access to enterprise asset management and service tracking systems, automatically providing real-time updates to employees throughout the onboarding journey, and even agents performing sentiment analysis to gauge employee satisfaction with the process and the outcome. By the way, this may look complicated, and certainly there is a lot happening behind the scenes, but consider this. Not a single line of code was written to create this agentic AI demonstration. That's right, even the demonstration application itself was created using agentic AI with human prompts. Agentic AI, powered by accessible, off-the-shelf platforms, is happening right now. It represents a massive leap in enterprise architecture and efficiency. But because the promise of high returns must be carefully balanced with essential guardrails and data hygiene, it is absolutely critical for organizations to maintain realistic expectations when adopting agentic AI. It is a journey, not an instant fix. We are together experiencing this amazing transformation. Thank you for joining me in the journey.